Hello students, how are you? Hope every one of you is fit and fine at your homes. Yes students, I am your math teacher Mrs. Monica Sharma from California Public School. Today we will do the sums of exercise 5.8. Yes students, in this exercise what to do? There are the statement sums. Yes, these are the very easy sums. Just main thing is here to understand the statement, what information is given in the statement, try to understand that, and what we have to calculate, try to understand that also. These are very easy sums. Do these sums very much carefully, and these sums are also very much important for you. Yes, so here we are going to start exercise 5.8. Here you can see first sum, complete each model. This one diagram is given that is helpful for understanding the statement. This is called model. Complete each model, then write the multiplication or division sentence. Means these sums are of multiplication and division. Yes, here you have to understand the statement, then you will come to know that whether this sum is of multiplication, whether this sum is of division, and according to that you people will do. Here the sum can be of multiplication also and division also. It depends upon the statement and your understanding. Yes. Now A part. Kavita bakes 6 trays of cookies. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the 6 trays of the cookies. There are 16 cookies on each tray. Each means 1. Yes, there are 16 cookies on each tray. How many cookies does Kavita bake all together? Now 6 trays are there. Yes, and in one tray there are the 16 cookies. There are the 16 cookies. Yes, and in second tray there will be the 16 cookies. In third there will also be 16. In fourth there will be also 16. Here 16 and here 16. Now 16 how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6 trays are there, and in each tray there are the 16 cookies. So here what we will do? 6 trays, 16 cookies. Yes, so this is the sum of multiplication. See how we got the multiplication. देखो यहाँ पे 6 ट्रेज में हमने टोटल कुकीज़ बतानी है, तो 16 को हम 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 टाइम ये रिपीट हो रहा है, तो 6 टाइम जब रिपीट हो रहा है तो वी कैन राइट दिस 6 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 16. yes, we can also write 16 multiplied by 6. no problem in this. yes, तो 16 को हम 6 टाइम ऐड करने के बजाय डायरेक्टली वी आर डूइंग द मल्टीप्लिकेशन. देन 16 6 द here we will write 96 cookies. there are total 96 cookies. Now let's move to second sum. Garvit packs 112 muffins equally in 4 boxes. There are the 4 boxes. Yes, and in one box there are in all the 4 boxes there are 112 muffins. 112 muffins को उसने 4 boxes में पैक कर दिया और हर एक बॉक्स में इक्वल है. सभी बॉक्सेस में जो मफिन्स हैं these are equal. How many muffins are there in each box? See here 112 muffins जो हैं वो 4 boxes में डिवाइड कर दी गई हैं. yes, 4 boxes में रख दी गई हैं, तो 1 box में कितनी muffins होंगी? yes, this is the one box, this is the second, this is the third, and this is the fourth. 112 is divided in 4. So what we will write here? 112 divided by 4. When you will do the calculation, yes, you will get 4 2 is the 8, 4 8 is the 32. Yes, you will get 28 muffins in each box. Yes, so here we will write 28. In second again there will be the 28. In third again there will be the 28. In fourth box there will be the 28 muffins. Yes. Now next is C part. Yes, in a school gymnasium there are 25 basketballs and 6 times as many tennis balls as basketballs. Yes, हाँ जी, 25 basketballs are there and 6 times as many tennis balls as basketballs. Yes, now here are the 25 basketballs. Yes, 25 basketballs. Then उससे 6 times ज़्यादा, 6 times means multiplied by 6, 6 times उससे 6 times ज़्यादा क्या है वहाँ पे, टेनिस बॉल्स. हाउ मेनी टेनिस बॉल्स आर देयर, जितनी बास्केट बॉल्स हैं उससे 6 times ज़्यादा टेनिस बॉल्स हैं. तो 25 को हम बार बार रिपीट करने की बजाय वी कैन मल्टीप्लाई लाइक दिस, 25 multiply by 6. Yes, so here will be 150. Then how many tennis balls are there? 150. Yes, and how many tennis balls and basketballs are there all together? 25 basketballs plus 150 tennis balls. When we will add, we will get 175. You can do these calculations beta in your rough notebook so that it will be more clear to you. Yes, hope you have understood all these sums. Try to do these sums in your rough notebook also. Understand the statements carefully. Thanks and have a beautiful day ahead.